Step 10. Install acoustic treatments. Redi Acoustics will supply a diagram for the specific locations for each treatment. Bass traps especially rely on pressure to work, so the locations aren't just a way to fit the panels in. Absorption and diffusion are particularly used for first reflections, the points on the wall where you can see yourself in a mirror, placed at that point on the wall when you are seated in the listening position. Generally, you want to absorb those first reflections from the front wall, that's behind the speakers, the ceiling, and the side walls. Then, step 11, measure the results and adjust. As indicated before, you'll want to check what you have in terms of results. For this, I used REW. If you've engaged Redi Acoustics, they'll analyze the REW output. I do think the standard Redi Acoustics setup favors incredibly rich detail and soundstage precision over envelopment and ambience. For a reviewer, this is very useful. If I were just in it for the musical results, I would aim for slightly more ambience, I think.